welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In this video, I'm going to go into Dollar General right there to do some in-store couponing to show you the deals for December 9th through the 15th. And I'm not finding a ton of great deals on household or paper products, but there are a couple good deals on some grocery items or like snacks and a couple personal care items. So let's just go right into the store and let's do this. This week at Dollar General, the socks for the family are buy one get one free, starting at $2. So I thought this would be a good gift idea. They are $3 with the gray dot right there, and there's 2 in a pack. So if you got this buy one get one free, that would be both of them for $3.75 each. And then there's these Fila socks, these little socks that say maybe. Those are so cute. And there's a lot of different options. These would make great ideas for stocking stuffers. And then I also just found this little reindeer book for Leo. Hi Leo, you want this one? It's cute, and it's like a little baby book for only $1. I think we can read it to him every night. That would be so cute, and he could just throw it around and not really break anything. And sparkle paper towels, the 3 = 6 rolls, are priced at $3.95 on the 3-day sale, and then there's a $1.50 off one coupon, making that $2.45, which is a great deal for sparkle paper towels. It also includes the 6 = 1. And then the Cottonelle 12 rolls are also going to be at $3.95, and there's a $1 off one digital coupon, making that just $2.95. And this is also part of the 3-day sale. I just thought of this deal really quick. So I noticed there's a $1 off one coupon on this pack of diapers for 29 count. And if you divide that with the original price, it'll be $4.50, and that will be 15 cents per diaper. So it would make more sense to get this rather than the 20 count, because that's 20 cents per diaper and you're getting more bang for your buck. So just a little heads up. Scrubbing bubbles are on sale this week for $1.85, and there's a 35% off of one coupon, making that just $1.50. Oh. And then the Schick Quattro razors are $6, and there's a $3 off one digital coupon. And it also works for the Schick Extreme 3. And then the tortilla chips are priced at $1, and there's a 25% off of one coupon, just making those 75 cents. And then the Cinnamon Toast Crunch is 2 for $7, the family size. These are big mama jammas. And there is a $1 off 2 digital coupon, just making those $3 each. It includes the Lucky Charms, the Frosted Flakes, the Reese's Puffs. And I just checked Walmart.com, and they are $3.64. So if you're getting them with the coupon, they'll only be $3. The Ragu pasta sauce is 2 for $3 this week, so $1.50 each. And there's a $1 off 2 coupon, just making those $1 each. And then for the 3-day sale, you can get 3 12-packs for $8. It includes Canada Dry, RC Cola, Sunkist. I don't know if A&W is included. I'm gonna have to look back at the ad, but I think it's all the same brand. So, and if you like Coke, like my family does, they're priced at 3 for $10 this week. And this includes the Coca-Cola Cherry, Sprite, Diet Coke, and of course the original. Clover Valley cream of celery and cream of chicken, and I don't know, cream of mushroom. I can't see it right here on the shelf, but they are 2 for $1 this week, so making them 50 cents each. And we had this deal last week, the Clover Valley brand powdered sugar. The 2-pound bag is $1.25, and also includes this light brown sugar, and there's a 25% off of one coupon, making those just $1. And then the granulated sugar is $1.75, and there's a 75% off of one coupon, just making that $1. And this also works for the oil. There's a separate coupon. And of course, these Febreze Unstoppables are $4, and there's a $4 off of 2 coupon on the app. Luv's diapers are priced at 2 for $12 this week, so if you got that $3 off one digital exclusive coupon like I did, it would make these $4.50 each. If not, there's a $1 off one digital coupon. They can make those a little bit more out of pocket. And Crest 3D White, the 3.5 ounces is $3, and there's a $2 off one coupon, just making that $1. The Gillette Daisy are priced at $5.95 at my store. Some other stores are ringing up $5, so mine's a little bit pricier, but there's a $3 off one coupon, just making that $2.95. And the Excedrin here is not It looks like this, but it's the smaller couch. It's priced at $3.95, and there's a $1.50 off of one, just making that just $1.40. So we're at a Dollar General, and I got a couple things for myself, but I'm gonna wait till Saturday, of course, to do the deals on the 5 off 25 coupon. I couldn't do any in-store breakdowns, I'm sorry again, because Leo was kind of, I'm sure you can hear him. He kind of has a little cough still, and he's kind of cranky, so I want to get out of the store as fast as possible. But I was able to show you a couple good deals in store, and of course there's 3 or 4 breakdowns down below that I'd listed in the description box that you can print out and take with you into the store. There's a couple on grocery items, like with pop and chips and pasta sauce, that I think will be nice, especially if you're hosting anything for the holidays. And there's a couple personal items like the Veet wax strips or some razors, and some shampoo, and of course the Love's diapers, which are a good deal, and the DG baby brand diapers that I found with a coupon on it. Hey, yeah! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. I make Dollar General couponing videos in store every Wednesday, and I do Dollar Tree videos here and there, and crafting, and videos about my life as a stay-at-home mom. And I just have fun with my channel. I love doing it, and I like talking to you guys about it, and I'm just having a lot of fun with my YouTube. So please subscribe, please join the family. I know you want to, like, I know you want to be a part of this channel, like, I know you want to, just do it. You just get a email notification, I think, every time I upload a new video, but it's not annoying or anything. It just means a whole lot more to me. Please do it. I'll be my Christmas gift from you guys. Please just subscribe. So without me sounding desperate, yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!